You might have tried to do the opposite of what you usually would do, and the market then does the opposite of the opposite. One of my former brokers in the UK went bankrupt in January 2015, and thousands of traders have made big losses. A currency pair might see a sudden change like the Euro-US dollar did, and maybe the average trading range for that currency pair is higher or lower afterwards. You still will need to find out if it is the right fit for you, and you will need to do backtests to do that. Someday you will have to face the bad times when you are in the middle of an unpleasant drawdown. That is the part when most traders start to manipulate their strategy. Learn how to gain real trading experience with thousands of trades, but in a fraction of the time you would need otherwise. If you improve something that doesn't work very well, you might get mediocre results. But if you improve something that already produces good results, you might get excellent results. Most people think that a good trading signal should be able to predict the future, but this is actually not true. What is our goal here? You want to define rules about what you do and what you don't do in a way that your computer can do it for you. I like to see action movies, but I wouldn't like to even spend one average workday with James Bond. Therefore, I prefer to trade with settings that will most likely produce a slow but consistent growth. Questions are going through our minds, and this creates uncomfortable feelings. I learned that it is important to record or save your results in some way, and that is what I do with backtesting videos. So some people now might ask themselves if it wouldn't be better to use an indicator that produces the exact same signals each time a backtest is performed. Well, it depends on how you see the world. If you believe that prices go up and down for a reason, you will look for a confirmation to prove that. When I started out with automated trading, I had no idea when I should learn all this programming stuff. So I got up early on Sunday mornings and tried to learn it while my family was still asleep. You can use the 2 laws of successful trading and prove or disprove that your strategy works for you. I would have never traded the way I trade today because of my common sense assumptions. You never know why I buy or sell something, and that is true for all the traders around the world. Nobody would be able to trade 24 hours around the clock, but an automated trading system can do that. You could manually trade your strategy with historical data, so I tried to do that, and it was a frustrating experience for me. To find a market advantage, you do 10 strategy tests or so, and afterwards you repeat that with the opposite settings. Algorithmic trading might be your thing. You can do it while you are not in front of your screen.